Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on seeing recorded workouts on Oppo smartwatches. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can see your recorded workouts on your watch and also on the heytap health app on your phone. I will show you how to see them on both, starting with the watch. Swipe from left to right on the watch screen to open this menu. Then tap Workout Record. Here there will be a list of your recorded workouts. Tap on a workout to see details of it. Here you can see all of the recorded details of your workout. To see your recorded workouts on your phone, open the heytap Health app. In the Health section, scroll down and tap Workout Records. Again, there is a list of your recorded workouts, and you can tap on a workout to see the details of it. Here you can see your heart rate during the workout, as well as your heart rate zones and other relevant info. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Oppo Watch tips and tricks.